is a contribution to Karnavati's expertise area of solid dosage and lab equipments. The mini tabletop capsule filling equipment to facilitate true scale-up research and development process of hard gelatin encapsulation from sizes 00 to size 4. Currently, most of research and development is happening on a cheap and cumbersome manual capsule filling equipments, which in due course would be changed to this mini cap sooner or later, fully 100% like the mini tablet press. An 8-station mini capsule filling equipment is ergonomically designed to keep it lightweight, durable, electrically safe, mechanically safe, formulation safe, and most importantly, that capsule formation every 30 minutes is done after a quick change over. Its 26 pieces change parts are easy to understand and disassemble when the capsule size change over has to be done. The cycle is very simple to understand. At the first of the 8 stations, the capsule orientation block ensures that when the capsules slide through the channel from the hopper, it falls always with the small part down first. There are 8 upper and lower dies, unique for every size of capsule. At first of the 8 stations, the lower and upper dies are in center with the capsule orientation block discharge point. The capsule falls in the die, where the suction nozzle comes up to suck underneath the lower die to first push the capsule down to the lower through and then open the lower or thinner part of the capsule into the lower die. At the second of the 8 stations, if the capsule remains unopened, then this capsule would be intercepted by a strip which would actuate the ejection rod to push it out and reject the capsule. Such 5 failures and the capsule machine would stop in automatic mode. At the third of the 8 station lies the pellet filling attachment, where the pellets are filled into the capsule from the hopper through the flapper valve, which can be opened or closed or controlled for the flow or the quantity as required for unique formulation needs. Also, the exact dosage can be fixed by means of the screw or the piston circular disc. At the fourth of the 8 stations, the powder flows through the hopper into the force feeder and then into the dosing disc. The dosing discs are of 5 different kinds to suit different weight powder characteristics. Here, these 4 tamping pins in an anti-clockwise direction gradually tamps the powder into slug to be inserted or ejected by the 5th pin, the tamping block. The 5th of the 8 station is kept idle for future upgradation of tablet insertions. At the 6th of the 8 station, the capsule closing takes place. As per the international standards, the screw on top can be adjusted to decide the length of the closed capsule. At the 7th of the 8 station, the perfectly filled capsules are ejected out. At the 8th station, the compressed air of 1.5 bar is shot on to the ejecting capsules for powder cleaning. The control panel. There are two modes, namely manual and auto. In manual mode, the machine can be run with the guards open, but only with two hands pressed on both the sides to safeguard against any temptation on part of the operator to bypass and take the shortcut. In automatic mode, the filling cycle can be preset in terms of number of capsules to be produced. The human-machine interface or man-machine interface is easy to operate. The three-line display shows clearly. The start button and stop button facilitate regular starting and stopping of the machine. The emergency button is provided with easier and faster access in case of emergencies.